Am I crooked on here? Cause I feel hella crooked. Okay.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last met. By the way,
hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay. So y'all, we are literally in that time of year. Like, what happened? Where did the time go? Where did 2023 go? Because I feel like we just finished Vlogmas. Do you guys not feel that way? Because I feel like we just finished, okay? I don't know what happened, but this year was running, okay? Clearly. Anyway, today we are going to go over some tips and tricks to help you successfully get through Vlogmas. So y'all, as of 2023, this will be my 5th year doing Vlogmas. It's crazy because I don't really feel like it's been that long that I've even been on YouTube. I haven't been consistent over those years, but every year I do try to pop out and do Vlogmas. I don't know what be going on. But I always try to pop out and do Vlogmas. I think it's because the holiday season is like my favorite time of year, so I'm always ready to vlog. I'm always happy, I'm excited. But y'all, you wanna know the honest truth? Y'all, I hope my sound is okay because I don't have my mic on this camera. Uh-oh. Whatever. But if you want to know the honest truth, I have never successfully made it through a whole entire Vlogmas. I think that last year I would consider successful, but the only reason I would consider that successful is because I told myself I was only going to do every other day, and that's what I stuck to. I did not miss a day once I started doing every other day. Well, yes, I did. Towards the end, I definitely kind of messed up. So yeah, I've never made it through a successful Vlogmas. So I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks so you can make it through a successful Vlogmas because we're on it this year. 2023, we are not playing and we are going in 2024. Doing all the things we said we were going to do. So these things are in no particular order, but the first one would be to plan. Yes, I know it's obvious, but you do need to plan. You need to write down some video ideas. You need to plan out what your days are going to look like. If you know you have something going on this day, you're like, oh, I can vlog on this day. If you don't have anything going on that day, you could write down something else, another type of video, a sit down video. I don't know, but just some type of different ideas. And that way you can fill up your month with all the things that you want to do, or at least have an idea of what will be going on that day and when this video will be going up and that type of thing. Next, I would advise any and everybody to deep clean your space. If you're doing Vlogmas in your home, deep clean your home. If you're doing Vlogmas in your room, your dorm room, whatever it is, clean it up. Okay, deep clean, because one thing about it, when those videos have to be out back to back to back to back to back, you really just don't have the time to clean as much as you would like. And trust me, for the parents or people who have other things just going on, people who work a 9 to 5 and you're still trying to upload every single day, it gets real, okay? So you want to deep clean your space so you can go into this with a clear head. Things are already pretty much cleaned up, and that way you can just straighten up things along the way, do a little hour clean along the way, and then it'll just flow. Because y'all, I'm telling you, time moves so fast and you realize so quickly you just don't have time. You don't. So deep clean your space. Have that clear head and just a clean space to be able to vlog and film your videos in. Next would be to start early. I cannot stress this enough. Do not wait until December 1st to start filming. I'm trying to put this video out like 2 weeks early, so yes, when this video goes up, you should have about 15 more days before December 1st. So I need you to start early. Do not wait until December 1st because that's when you get stressed. And you don't need to be stressed. What you stressing for? We all out here happy. Like, this is a good time. Do not stress, especially over Vlogmas. I mean, I get it. Everybody's doing it. Everybody wants to do it. And it's fun. Don't get me wrong. So don't stress. It's like, there's no reason to stress. Just start early. It's simple. Also, I would create my intro and outro if that's what you want to use. If you want to use like a Christmassy type of intro or a Christmassy type of outro, I would create that early as well. Create that right now. Whatever you want it to look like, start on that right now. You can go ahead and set your intro, your outro screen, or whatever for Vlogmas and just keep it consistent the whole time. That way you don't have to do that. You don't have to worry about uploading a video along with trying to create an intro and an outro screen. Like, we got enough going on. I would also download whatever Christmas music or whatever kind of music you're going to be playing in your videos during this time. Go ahead and download that, have that saved on your computer, your laptop, whatever you use, your iPad. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you are using, your phone, does not matter. Just make sure you have that stuff downloaded already so you can just click a song. Oh, and check and make sure that it's not like copywritten music. You do not want to be uploading a video and then have a copyright strike or a copyright claim or whatever on it. So then you got to take it down. You got to go back in and re-upload it. No. We're making sure we have copyright-free music so that we can use it on whatever video we would like freely, okay? And you just don't want to have to take it down and re-upload. It's just too much. It's too much. That's when things start to get stressful. So you want to make sure you go ahead and do that now. Next, you can schedule your videos to go up on whatever day you would like for them to go up. So I told you guys to start early. So let's say you start tomorrow. Whatever video you film on that day, you can go ahead and edit that video, upload it to YouTube, make sure it goes through all the little checks and everything, make sure your description box is together, just make sure it's right, you have your thumbnail, you just have everything together, and you can go ahead and schedule that video to go up on December 1st if that's what day you want it to go up, or December 2nd. Just go ahead and do like a schedule. So if you're starting early, which you should be, you need to go ahead and start editing and uploading those videos and just schedule them to go out on whatever date you want them to go out. I would also try batch filming. Batch filming is basically where you like film a bunch of videos in a day. It don't have to be a bunch. Let's say 1 or 2. You could film a wash day video today, and you could also go back and film a styling video if that's what it is that you like or whatever you want to do. You could also vlog that same day. So girl, you got 3 videos that you are creating in that same day. So batch filming is very, very helpful. So once again, if you're batch filming, you can go ahead and edit those videos, put them up, and schedule them. Like, they can go out December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. You got 3 videos knocked out in one day. Another thing I would say is that you do not have to post every single day. If every single day is too much for you, don't do it, because we not stressing once again. So if you want to do every other day, if you want to do 12 days of Christmas, some people call it 12 days of Vlogmas. If you want to do Vlogmas week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on, you can do it that way. You do not have to upload every single day. I know that's what most creators are going to be doing. However, you don't have to do it that way. If you want to, by all means, upload every single day, but you don't have to, okay? Please, 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 do not stress yourself out over Vlogmas. So this should have went with everything else I was saying, but you also need to go ahead and set a default description, so that way every day that you're posting, you don't have to really change much in your description. You be changing like small things, whether it's Vlogmas Day 1 or Vlogmas Day 2, things like that, but you don't have to go in and think of a whole description box. You don't need to be focused on that right now. I'm telling you, if these videos are going up every single day, and you having to worry about uploading and filming and just all the things, and then you gotta worry about a description box too, stop. Just stop. It's too much. It is absolutely too much. So please set your default descriptions. That way you just have to go in and just do little small things. So next, be creative, y'all. This is the time to step out of the box. Do something different with your channel, things you don't normally do. I know some people's like niche is beauty and organization, or some people do pranks, some people do, I don't know, some people just do different things. But this is the time to step out of the box. You can do those fun videos that you've seen other people doing that you've wanted to try. You can just be creative, be you, do whatever it is that you want to do. And y'all, don't be afraid to go look and see what other people are doing and then go back and recreate that, but with your own like little spin on it, your own little personality. Because if you look, if you pay attention, ain't nothing new under the sun. Everybody doing the same thing, okay? But you can be creative. You can step outside the box this time. You don't have to stay within your niche. You don't have to stay within like a little box. You don't have to box yourself in during Vlogmas, girl. Have fun. And I apologize that I keep saying girl. It's just my word. It's my word. So if you're a guy and you're watching this, I do apologize. However, just have fun, y'all. Be creative. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. If you can think of it, you can do it. And last but not least, I've said this several times in the video already, but do not stress. Don't stress it. Take it one day at a time. If you don't get to start early, still take it one day at a time. If you don't get to do any of these things that I said to do, take it one day at a time. Do not stress. Have fun. Be creative. Be yourself. And yeah, Vlogmas should be successful for you. Whatever successful means for you. Okay, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys got something from it. If you did, be sure to leave me a comment down below. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if I missed anything, leave that down in the comments below as well. I'm sure it would help people out, and people are looking because people are like, oh my gosh, Vlogmas is coming, like it's quick. Oh, and if you stay tuned, I will be dropping a video after this video giving you some Vlogmas ideas, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace, guys.